Welcome to our Kitchentale! Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng Beef Bicol Express. Here are the ingredients. A half kilo of beef meat cut into size bites. Then 5 cloves of garlic. A medium size of onion. 1 to 2 pieces of siling haba or siling labuyo. It's optional. 3 tablespoons of bagoong or alamang. Then a cup of gata or coconut milk. Then we need 3/4 cup or to 1 cup of water. A teaspoon of salt and pepper. Then lastly po, 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Ngayon po, let's do the procedure. Gumamit lamang po ako ng mga 2 tablespoons of oil para po sa paggisa ng bawang at sibuyas. Kapag translucent na po ang sibuyas, pwede na po nating i-add ang beef. Then, let it simmer po for about 2 to 3 minutes. Kasabay po nito ang paglagay ng paminta at asin. Ngayon po, pwede na nating ilagay yung 3/4 cup of water. At hayaan lamang po itong kumulo for about 20 to 25 minutes. Kapag medyo paubos na po yung tubig or water, pwede na po nating i-add yung bagoong or alamang. Hayaan lamang po itong kumulo for 2 minutes upang ma-absorb po yung lasa ng bagoong. Ngayon po, pwede na nating i-add yung coconut milk or gata. Then, hayaan lamang po itong kumulo hanggang medyo mabawasan at mag-dry ito ng kaunti. Pasensya na po, hindi ko na naipakita ang paglalagay po ng siling haba or siling labuyo. As you can see po, medyo nababawasan na yung tubig ng ating Bicol Express. Now, to add more flavor, lalagyan po natin ito ng suka or vinegar. To give you an info about Bicol Express, this dish had been formally termed by Laguna native Sally Calao as a result of her cooking competition in the 1970s. She created this new dish in a response to her customers' high interest for a spicy and sizzling taro dish. The name itself was inspired after the Philippine National Railway when they heard the sound of the train. Ngayon po, pwede na ang ating Beef Bicol Express. Ito na po yung ating finished product. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.